looks beautiful this morning. Yeah. Oh. Give me some more. Give me some more. Give me some more kisses. Yeah. Mommy, go get your bath ready. You like that idea? So it's about 2:45 and my husband, my brother and I just had brunch. So we played with the baby for a little bit, ate some brunch, and then I fed him and now he's on his second nap of the day. He's going to nap on me because every time I try to put him down, he immediately opens his eyes. We have to start sleep training him soon, unfortunately, because the only way he'll nap during the day is on either my husband or myself. At night, he does great in the bassinet. This, by the way, is the Bugaboo Stardust. I really like it. So that's what he sleeps in at night, and he does great on his own. He goes right to bed, does not cry, does not fuss. He's great. But for some reason, during the day, it's like impossible to lay him down. I think we've gotten like a handful of good naps during the day where it's not on one of us since he's been born, and he's 3 months old this past week. So we're gonna have to start sleep training him so that he can self-soothe and goes to sleep on his own and takes his naps on his own. Because as much as I love him being a sloth on me, like I love these naps with him, I can't get anything done. I can't do laundry, I can't work on my YouTube, I can't eat. You are stuck with him on you. It's about to be 3 and we're gonna go over to my sister's Kathy's house for Mother's Day dinner. Around 5 or 6 we'll start heading over. So I'm gonna let him take a good nap so he can wake up and be refreshed and energized, and everyone can start playing with him because he is the happiest, like most social, talkative baby as soon as he wakes up from a nap. But I did want to hop on and, say a little something because in my previous vlog where we took him to the zoo for the first time, I never came on camera and like sat down and did an intro or an outro. It was just the vlog itself. So if you haven't already noticed, today is Mother's Day. It is my first Mother's Day and it's really, really exciting. I was more emotional this morning than I thought it would be, just like waking up with him and realizing that it's my first Mother's Day with him was really, really special. But yeah, it's been great so far. It's been a very chill day. My brother came home for the weekend and he's been hanging out here. He slept over at our place last night, so he woke up and got to read the baby a book and dance with him and play with him, so that was really, really fun. He's so sweet. He went out and picked up flowers for what I thought was just our mom, because we get her flowers every year for Mother's Day. Thought he went out to pick up flowers for her, but he came home with a really gorgeous arrangement for myself as well, and it was so sweet. And my husband gave me his present. He got me 2 gift certificates for a full hour body massage, and he also got me Cinnabons because I have been craving them for like a month or 2, but we don't go anywhere, and the only place you can get them is at the mall, and we don't go out obviously unless we have to. And he also got me 3 bags of Annie Ann's pretzels because that's another one of my weaknesses. That is how our day is going so far. I'm loving it. It's been a really, really nice Sunday. I can't wait to see the rest of my family later and hug my mom because boy, Like, having your own kid really makes you appreciate what your mom has been through, what she sacrificed, everything. Moms are like superheroes. Yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys over later. I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone and start vlogging in front of my family, because the only thing holding me back on filming vlogs and actually vlogging is I'm so uncomfortable whipping out the camera and talking like this in front of my family and in front of my husband even. And now that he works from home, it's hard to like not sneak around, but feel comfortable picking up the camera and vlogging and talking. But I'm hoping the more I do it, the easier it will be and the more natural it'll come. I remember before, I would get really uncomfortable taking pictures of food before we ate, like, you know, Instagram photos of your food and all that stuff. I got really uncomfortable doing it, but now that I've been doing it for so long, it just feels normal and I don't even think about it anymore, or like think about other people seeing me do it. So I'm hoping that'll be the case for vlogging, because now that I don't have time to sit down to film makeup videos or reviews and all the stuff I used to film because of this little guy, I'm hoping vlogging will like take place and keep me busy. I don't know why I didn't film it, but I'm doing a little arts and craft project for my mom for Mother's Day. And we just got Levi's footprints. I'll show you guys. I'm working on the stairs for some reason. And the boys are watching him right now because we just got a bunch of footprints. We tried a handprint, but it's starting to look like something out of Planet of the Apes. So I'm just gonna do footprints and 2 pictures in this frame. I'll show you guys the finished product. But this is what I'm working on for my mom for Mother's Day, so I know she'll love this. But yeah, I'm just working on printing out a couple more pictures. My printer is randomly there. We put it away in the closet when it's done, so that's not where that lives. But that is what we're working on, and we're gonna start getting ready to head over to Kathy's. This is the finished product. I'm really happy with the way it came out. I wish the footprints were a little bit darker. The ink was actually like a purple tone, so I copied it with my printer so that it's black and white. I actually made the exact same one for myself. I'll insert the clip here of it on our fireplace, but I really loved how it came out, so his grandma would be very happy to get this for Mother's Day. Day gift. Where's it? I made you a mother. I think I should get something every year. For what?
This is for you.
For what?
For you.
But for what? Why?
Mother's Day. A decoration for you.
But why did you make it? What day is it?
Mother's Day.
It's Mother's Day? Let me see your sign. So why didn't you read it to Cookie?
Thank you, Cookie, for all you've done for us, even if you have a baby. We are going to celebrate your first Mother's Day.
Love it. We got the goods.
Hello. Hi, Mama. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you.
Cheers. Happy Mother's Day. video. It's a video. Do you not care? Oh God. Oh my goodness. And we are finally home. He was so tired at Kathy's house, getting kind of like fussy, and then we put him in the car seat, and the drive from Kathy's to our house is only maybe 5 minutes, and the whole ride home he was like screaming and crying because he's just overly tired. He couldn't nap there. It was really, really loud, and he was also starting to get hungry. So he was crying all the way home, and as soon as we literally walked through the door, his whole mood changed. It's like he knew he was home. He started smiling and laughing and talking and babbling. So we gave him his bath, and I'm nursing him right now. He's probably gonna get a really good night's rest. But yeah, today was really fun. It was just nice to be with my family. I think tomorrow I'm gonna have to call the pediatrician because he has this patch of baby eczema on his right cheek that won't go away. We actually went to the pediatrician last week because it started weeping again. The weeping made me really, really nervous because that's a sign of infection. So I definitely wanted to get it checked out before it got worse and started spreading everywhere. So we went last week. She prescribed us a hydrocortisone and it was at a 2.5%. And she said to use it for 3 days, twice a day. And we used it and it worked so fast. The patch went away. His skin was all smooth. It was like the lightest shade of pink, which is amazing because it was literally bright red the beginning of last week. We stopped using it after 3 days, obviously. And on like the 4th day, that night, it started weeping again. And the redness in his skin crept back. And so I got really nervous. So then the next day, we still didn't put it on because I got nervous. With, you know, the doctor saying he's only allowed to use it for 3 days. So we skipped it on day 5, and then on day 6, it got worse again. Like his skin started to thicken up a little bit. It started to get a little dry and not crusty, but just the skin started hardening on his face, and it started to look like what it did before when we went to the doctor. Really, really red again. And it's just making me so nervous that it's coming back so quickly. So that is the plan for tomorrow. I'll keep you guys updated. But that is it for tonight. I'm actually really, really tired. I only napped for 15 minutes earlier with him. And we're just both wiped right now. But we had a really great first Mother's Day. It was so nice to spend it with my family. And it was just a really nice day. So if you are a mom, I hope you had a great Mother's Day as well. And yeah, that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.